rank. I'm top 264 of the world.
Where am I at? I'm
You're at
150. I'm 150.
Okay. You by the way, be careful since I was one of the best.
One of the best.
Come on, man! That's too easy!
You're lucky I'm lagging. Push me.
I will.
Push me.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
What?
Push.
What? Oh
Don't drop
my.
the best.
No.
Oh, this is my favorite gun.
Damn!
One shot, but somehow my bullet didn't register.
Did I kill you?
No. I reset. What?
You do know I'm like a Valorant player, you know? Oh god.
You're not good. Private match again.
Alright, bet. I'm a Valorant player, you know that, right? Yes.
You don't even know any of the. You don't even know like any of the movement.
I know.
I wasn't trying. Okay,
What?
Jordan. Click on
Dude.
private match again.
You invite me
Click on
again?
private match again.
Alright, bet. Let's go. How many wins do I have? 3 kills, 1 death, rank 180. I'm the GOAT. Bet, let's go.
Who's your son? Who's your son? Oh.
Is a headshot a one shot?
Oh.
You better tell me the truth. What? What? I didn't know a gun could do. I didn't know it could do that. I have to check every gun if it autos or not. What?
Oh shoot.
You're just weird. You're weird. You're weird, bro. Alright, bet.
It's not letting me shift anymore. Hold up. All it takes is one knife hit.
Dude.
You're not good, honestly. Rematch.
You said I'm not good? Dude, I'm a
Yeah.
better rank than you. Come on now. Come on.
Oh, I'm a better ring.
Alright, bet. Where you at? Let's go. Let's go. Oh my. Where the fuck did you go?
What?
Dude, I was trying to go around the statue, but there was I
That you had
realized there was a barrier, so I just hit behind the statue.
That's cool. What?
Was that a headshot? Is it one tap anywhere?
No, Python is one tap at in close range. He was close to
What?
shooting.
I didn't know my gun could do that. Ah, that's it. That's it. Oh yeah. What? Okay. This gun's.
You just used your entire.
Yes, bro.
Oh, yo. What? I'm stuck.
Well, how do you slide? How did you slide?
I'm not telling you.
All right, private match me right now.
Like, game or something.
Okay, fine. I'm already playing.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, yo, you're getting destroyed. Where you at? Where you at, little boy? Come
Oh my
on.
god. Knife
Oh,
fight.
oh.
Knife fight. Knife fight.
Fuck you, kid. No, I ain't accepting.
Knife only. Knife only. Why you ducking? Why you ducking? This kid's game.
I am not knife fighting, bro. Fine, you want a knife fight?
Why?
No, actually, you're gonna use gun. I'm not knife fighting.
No, I swear. Dude.
Huh? Did you just
I said
lag?
Knife only.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine. I will. No!
I'm him.
You're not him, bro. Where you at? Where you at? I'm back to
You could win with only knives. We knife these last few rounds.
What? I saw you behind me, but okay, dude, I don't want to lose.
Where you at? It's 2-2.
No, you're not dead. How are you not dead?
See, this is why I like